Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today in Bonita Springs, Louisiana, and South Louisiana, right off I-12, and gonna be working on another tanker and polish the outside of this thing. So let me take you around, look at this thing before I do anything to it. Alright, so as you can see, it's going to require a little bit of work, but I should be able to knock this thing out pretty easy. So let me go ahead and pull out the scaffold and everything else and get set up, get suited up, and get to work. So, climbing over here right now. A lot of people are asking what products are being used. Well, I'm gonna answer that very, very simple, okay? Chemicals that are being used is proprietary. The chemicals and the methods and the processes being used is proprietary, meaning that it's proprietary. We own the IP. Alright everyone, so just wrapped up with this 4,500 gallon bobtail tanker truck, and as you can see behind me, looks pretty good. So